Philosophy. The Cebu Eastern College believes that the best education is electric education, inscribed in the culture of excellence, freedom, and relevance. Vision. The Cebu Eastern College is a non-profit private educational institution that adopts Confucian teaching, harness holistic, morally upright, globally component graduates, and equipped with 21 sensory skills and contribute meaningfully to the community. Mission: a Filipino science institution that aims to produce leaders who possess confucian values, foster academic and extracurricular excellence, and provide service with integrity. Goals: the Cebu Eastern College aims to develop academically excellent, morally upright, and competent learners grounded in Confucian values and who, who pursue harmony, integrity, and lifelong learning.